Hello, what I have here is a 1974 Lakewood model S23 3-speed box fan in terracotta orange with the original box. I've had this one for a couple of months now. When I first got it, it was pretty filthy, so I disassembled it and cleaned it. Did all the usual stuff. But yeah, this thing is in great shape. Other than some slight yellowing on the back guard. This one has a Marco motor. It's slightly different than a Macmillan motor. The way the bearing is assembled, it has a little bent over tabs that hold the bearing retainer instead of rivets on this particular one. Some of them are riveted, but this one has the tabs that are folded over, and this one also has the drilled out oil hole right there. Yeah, this thing is in beautiful shape. There's a couple scratches right here, but that's the only visible damage on the fan. This fan's in beautiful shape. Anyways, we'll give it a run here. Low speed. Medium. High speed. Not the longest spin down of most of my box fans. But these Marco motors are not known for, you know, super smooth bearings. But this one, I'd say, runs pretty good. Anyways, that concludes the video on this 1974 Lakewood model S24. See if you can see the tag down, or S23 rather. There, kind of see the tag in there. 2.7 amps was rated. Model S23. Sorry for the focus. That hurts your eyes. But yep, that'll be it on this fan. Thanks for watching.